Hello guys, this phone came in today. This is iPhone SE2. It's draining battery very quick. So we're going to change a new battery and uh, see if that fixes the problem. The battery health is about 79% right now. Is asking for service. So also there is one problem with the iPhone SE and up, SE2 and up, that the if you change the battery or any component like major component except charge port, like your camera, battery, face ID, proximity sensor, whatever you change, it tells you in the setting that um, you need a you have changed the uh, battery, whatever component you change, it tells you in the setting that you have changed that part and it's not original part anymore. And it just gives you the alert all the time in your setting. So you should tell customer before you uh, take any repair iPhone SE and up. So it will show up whatever the component you replaced, it will show up in the settings. So this yeah, just something fell out. Okay, so LCD has been replaced already. Now we're going to change the battery today. I don't know whether we have the battery for this phone or no. So what I do, I just fold it a bit like this and see if that battery is the same or different. See if that phone turns on or not. So the logo came up. We charge a little bit and see, and so logo as you can see, the logo show up. We have to charge the battery, and then we're going to complete the repair. So just stay tuned. Hi guys again. So it came on. Battery was not. Let me enter the passcode and see. Now we go into the setting and see battery health. Okay, so we got the message here, unknown part. Go to the battery and see, it says it does not show the battery health, but it will show the battery percentage. So I already told customer that you need a new battery because their battery was draining very quick. So let me quickly remove the old battery and put new one and complete the repair. So here. Some new battery time. Okay, so we fold this flex a little bit. First we connect the connector. Okay, the connector is connected. Now we just lean down the battery. Okay, so it's connected, and connect the charger. Okay, now now the time for the back plate. Okay, because it's flickering, we disconnect the battery. Whenever you disconnect the battery, it will flicker. So once the battery gets stable, fully charged, those flickering will be gone. So guys, that was a very simple repair for the SC2 battery replacement. This is the SC22 model, which is called iPhone SC2. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.